What's good, everybody?
What's good? What's good? What's good?
So today, I'm talking about an update, man, from my old videos. They changed a couple things in the app, and I just want to talk about that real quick. Have you ever did an order outside of your zone, and then on the way back, highlighted in yellow, it said, looking for orders headed back to your zone, looking for orders headed back to your area, whatever it says up there, and highlighted in yellow when you're outside of your zone after you just completed an order. Tell me how you feel about that. Go ahead, tell me how you feel about that in the comments, because that is a change from back in the day when they would find me an order in my zone, even though I'm outside of my zone. And to me, that was always way better, because when I leave my zone, I'm headed back to my zone, right? You know, I'm not zone hopping. I don't want to do orders in other zones, you know. It was way better because they was actually sending me pretty big orders from outside of my zone back into my zone, you know. And I didn't have to worry about these orders where I'm headed back to my zone and Doordash sends me an order that actually sends me backwards a couple miles just to go to a restaurant and deliver it into my zone. That's going backwards, Doordash. You know what I mean? That's pretty terrible, man. So, but yeah, go ahead and like and subscribe, man. Subscribe to my channel for more of these videos where I'm trying to be helpful. I'm trying to give out Doordash tips, man. Doordash tips and tricks on basically how to make more money. That's what my channel is all about, how to make more money doing Doordash. That's always what I talk about. And I used to make more money before they made this change. If anybody else feels the same, then let me know. I actually had to change the way I dash a little bit now. So now I'm not taking as many orders that are going outside of my zone. I'm kind of paying attention to that a little bit more, because before you accept an order, you can actually see where this order is going to take you. It shows you where the restaurant is in a little box, and then in a little house, it shows you where the customer's house is. You can actually zoom in and see if it's apartments. You can zoom in and just see what street it is. You can just, you know, it shows you if it's going outside of your zone or not. So, but yeah, so I've been taking less of those kind of orders that take me outside of my zone, unless they're really good, because now it's mostly just all dead miles on the way back, versus when I used to get paid on my way back, because I get an order that's in the zone on my way back, you know, instead of outside of my zone, they're sending me orders, you know. So that update, in my opinion, I don't like it. I can see how it might be better in other markets. So just let me know how it's going in your market. Let me know if anything's changed for you. If you had to switch up how you dash as well, because I had to switch up how I dash, because they sent me some trash on the way back. Now I don't get a lot of good stuff on the way back. So unless that order is really good, I'm not going outside of my zone. If I don't have to, I try to just stay inside my zone, and stay as busy as possible. Because dead miles suck, man. Dead miles will kill your money, man. You got a lot of mileage going on with them dead miles. So used to be, we'll get paid for the miles on the way back. They'll send me an order. I'll be like 7 miles away, and they'll send me a $20 order. That's how it used to be, but they haven't been doing that for me lately. They switched it all up. I noticed that change, and I just want to share it with y'all. But let me know how it's been going for y'all, because I know y'all been dashing too. I know it, man. So let me know how it's been going to y'all. If y'all watch to the end of this video, go ahead, hit decline till I die. I'm about to record. I'm out here about to dash right now, actually. And I'm going to record my ride along for today too. But I just wanted to make this little update real quick, because honestly, it kind of pissed me off that they did that, because I was making hella, it was way easier to make money before than it is now. Just that little change kind of irritates me a little bit, because now when I go outside my zone, I can't even expect to see a good order on the way back. You know what I'm saying? An order that's not wasting my time. So that's that, man. About to get back to this little dash real quick. Check out my next video, man. Probably be dropping a couple days after this one, or maybe tomorrow. But because my ride-alongs take a little bit longer to edit, but that's all good. I'm gonna get it edited for y'all. Start dropping at least 3 videos a week, 3 or 4, man. Let's get it in. Man, helping everybody make some more money. If I already helped you, man, let me know in the comments. If you new to my channel, man, let me know in the comments. Everybody leave a comment. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get it. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go.